Hi friends, welcome back, and this is our another project. And as you can see, the boolean LED of node MCU is continue blinking, and but this time I didn't programming this node MCU with the Arduino programming. I do this with the Python programming. And if you heard the term MicroPython, so this is our MicroPython setup, and this is our code, and this is our node MCU. See, so in our code, first we import a machine module and time module, and then within third line we assign pin number 2 as the output pin, and the fourth line we take a while loop. In this while loop we turn off LED and then we take a delay of 1.5 seconds. So this is all about code. We can do lot of things with Python, as you know already. And if you want to know more about this MicroPython and setup, then just comment below. I try to make a solution on this. So thank you so much. This is all about a small part of our project. Thank you.